Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Voices of Victory, a platform where our students come forward to share their success stories. Today, we are delighted to be joined by Adesh, who has recently got placed at Scale Now. Without any further ado, let's get started and dive straight into the conversation. Hi Adesh, welcome to Networkers Home.
Thank you, ma'am.
Before starting the podcast, I want to congratulate on your new job.
Thank you.
Let's begin with the introduction. Go ahead.
First of all, thank you for this opportunity. It's a great platform to explain my experience and related to job opportunity and training. My name is Adesh L. I'm from Nitte, Karkal Taluku, Udupi district, and I have completed my diploma and Bachelor of Engineering in Department of Electronics and Communication.
Okay.
After that, I took CCIE course from Networks Home Bangalore.
So Adesh, how did you got to know about Networkers Home?
I'm the person who always looking forward to learn new skills and advanced technology.
That's a nice thing.
And I go through some institution. There are multiple organizations who provide CCNA, CCNP, CCIE training. But when I go through YouTube videos, I got one videos from Networks Home, and it looks genuine, and I just wanted to start my career in Networks Home.
Okay, that's a good thing. But we all know that somewhere like Dakshina Kannada and Uttara Kannada is very famous for their education.
Yes.
So what made you to come apart from that to Bangalore?
Because I always looking forward to my build my career in Bangalore.
Okay.
So that's the one reason, and I'm looking forward to learn new skills as well. It's the right time to move forward with the Networks Home.
Look into other opportunities. That's a good thing what you mentioned. So how was your experience here at Networkers Home with trainers and managers?
Yes, after coming to Networks Home, that really changed my life. Here we got a good expert from networking domain. Then I started my journey with Sushil sir, CCNA. Then I moved forward with Nikunjan sir. After that, Ajay sir. That will help me a lot clearing all doubts.
That's a good thing. So Adesh, how was your class and lab experience?
Actually, I took my entire classes through online.
Okay.
And I feel I am physically present there. That every trainer makes us feel like we are in the same physical class.
Okay.
Because they are giving some task to complete in the next class. Always ready to learn, and all. That's a matter.
Okay, that's a good thing. But you told that you take online classes, and like looking at now, how was your mock interview and how did it went with you?
Mock interview, I just attended 2 mock. First mock with Ajay and Sushil sir. They just asked like basic questions.
Okay.
And they suggest me to improve myself, focus on scenario-based questions, and it's helped to crack a real-time interview. Then in second interview, I completed with Jatin sir, and I cleared that.
That's a good thing. As we spoke about mock interviews, how was your interview? Just tell me about your new company.
I got selected in Scale Computing. My role is as a NOC engineer. It's just like troubleshooting US-based clients' network issues.
Okay.
And we should have good communication skill as well. And we should have a good technical skill. And this is one of the product and service based company. They have some own product and works on FortiGate as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how was your interview process?
It's a 5 round of interview. First is assessment. It's just the basics of networking. Then questions from TCP/IP, subnetting and Linux. Second one is technical round, that is also basic. Third one is technical with the manager,
Okay.
and fourth one is HR interview. Then final is director round.
Okay, that's a good thing. And I just want to put up a light on something. How did you prepare your resume? What are the skills did you add?
I added all the skill like from CCNA to CCIE level.
Does it matter?
Yes, it really matters. They look into our skills, and I added some projects that related to electronics. That helps me to get their inspiration.
While you are telling the interview process, you just mentioned about a communication skill.
Yes.
So can you just elaborate on that? How important is it for interview or else for a personal development?
It's like some candidates have good technical skill, but they don't have some communication skill. We need to have communication, especially in this domain. When we communicate with, we deal with some US clients. We should have some good communication skill.
Yeah.
That's the matter.
So Adesh, from breaking to a stereotypic education format to till Bangalore, how was your experience? What are the challenges did you face?
I have not faced any challenges because I'm from strong technical background.
That's
and
a good thing.
Even I'm from Karnataka itself, there is no language barriers to communicate with other people. Maybe some people struggle with language barrier, which came from other states.
That's a good thing what you mentioned actually. You got a lot of advantage because you're from here. So looking back till date, how was your overall experience?
It's a good experience. I'm lucky to choose this organization because they provide quality education. Trainers are expertise in a particular networking domain.
So we are at the end of our podcast. Would you like to share some motivational speaks to our audience who are watching this, and the last keynote for Team Networkers Home?
Yes, I would like to thank especially Sushil sir and Ajay sir, then Nikunjan sir. And I want to give one suggestion to our students who are learning here. Just I always follow some quotes that's said by legends. Hard work beats talents, and once we are fearless, then life becomes limitless.
Okay, that's a good point what you mentioned.
Yeah.
Is there any last words for Team Networkers Home?
I just thank HR team. She will help me a lot. Even I got selected in last 2 companies. I actually rejected 2 companies.
Okay.
And that time she helped me a lot to get into other better company.
Okay, that's a nice thing. It was great talking to you.
Yes,
and thank you for coming.
Thank you.